All right, 1987 L series, semi-cold morning. It's not that cold. Got the heater on, but I've seen colder. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What a beast. Oh. Oh. Give her a bit of a rev. Bit of bloke's smoke will blow out. There's the smoke. Blowing right on the Falcon, the Fairmont. Love this jigger. There we go. Let that warm up. So I'm just moving it today. So I'm just going to move the car in front of the white AU there. And yeah, just thought I'd share the semi-cold start. Started easy as piss. So yeah, love this car. I've got to get this fixed. Bit of cants. Yeah, alright, see you on the next one.